Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Science Activities using Laboxd Science Kit. Activity: Steady Hand Electric Game. This is basically an electric circuit with the buzzer or bulb. Whenever the loop which is connected to the buzzer touches the copper wire, electricity flows from the battery through the wire and back to the battery. At the same time, buzzer produces sound indicating that the circuit is completed. This device is very useful to understand the electric circuit, and it is also a simple gaming device. Activity packet contains procedure sheet, yellow board, battery, buzzer, copper wire, sandpaper, battery connector, connecting wires. Separate the parts of the board. Fix the two rectangular parts to the board. Now, take the copper wire. First, make it straight. Now, bend the wire at different points. You can do it in your own way. Now it is ready. Fix the wire as shown. Now take the buzzer. It has two wires indicating two terminals. Stick the buzzer to the side using double-sided gum tape. Connect the black wire of the buzzer to the copper wire. Now, take the battery clip which has two wires. Connect the battery clip wire to the buzzer. Now, take the extra connecting wire and join it to the black wire of battery clip. Bend the free end of connecting wire in U shape or like a loop. Check whether it moves freely around the copper wire. We cannot hear any sound now because battery is not connected. Take the battery and remove the plastic cover. Now attach the battery. Even now the circuit is not closed. Now take the loop and move it around the copper wire. I hope you heard the sound. Whenever the wire in the hand touches the copper wire, sound is produced indicating that the circuit is closed. If the circuit is opened, sound is not produced. Very interesting game, is it not? You can challenge your friend to move the wire from one end to another without making sound. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the game. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more such activities.